away, take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Y'all sleep. I slept good. Okay, welcome to the madness. Oh man, I think it's about to rain. Yeah. Anyways, welcome to the madness. So good morning. So today's Friday. We have camp tomorrow. I'm excited that I'm prepping for that. I have 2 papers that I have to submit for my psychology classes, and then I have to do a discussion board post, and then I'm done for school for week 5, and then next week is the last week. Yay, yay. And you girls still have a 4.0, and I'm holding on to my 2 A's this semester because for my master's program I can't get anything less than a B. Say what now? So anyways, welcome to the vlog. I'm about to make my bed, but I'll show y'all.
I was kidding myself. Now I know you don't love me, even though you said that you'd never leave me. Oh, but I know now I shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, right away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your eyes. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. You weren't always like this. Don't know what happened to you. Put my trust in you. Guess that I couldn't do that.
Okay, so the bed is made, and then my husband decided that he was gonna decorate our nightstand with his parents. How lovely. What do you take on parents in the bedroom, especially on the nightstand? I'm like, honey, while I'm on the knees and you're just, you know, taking care of business, isn't it like a little inappropriate for your mom and dad to be watching us? Like, dude. And then he got Maddie up here, a view of the bed, a view of the bed. I put him on mute so he can't hear me, but no, like, I'm gonna redecorate all of this, and they gotta go and she gotta go. That's mine. Yeah, no. Oh, cringe. But he just did that last night, but they gotta go. No, we can put them in the closet. We can figure out where to put them, maybe on the wall in the closet where you can close the door, but not on the nightstand watching me while I get, no. So I had breakfast. I had oatmeal. I need to take that downstairs. I need to take those stuff up off the floor. I don't know. Oh, that's when I cleaned the other day. Did y'all see that video? I'm gonna link it up here. I clean. I'm out of breath. I gotta go. And then I have to figure out my situation over here. Anyways, I gotta go because I gotta finish my schoolwork, because yeah, your girl needs to focus. Ow! Ow! Okay. I need to get dressed. It's been hours since the last couple of footage that y'all saw. But let me show y'all my dress for camp tomorrow. My dress, my purse, my shoe. camp tomorrow, and I need to get dressed before my husband come home. But so for camp tomorrow, this is my dress. So Madison is gonna wear this pink dress. I don't know what Dustin is wearing yet because it matches the pink in my dress, and I just wanted something, just, you know, because it's a camp for our church. I just gotta look at the detail in the neck. Oh my gosh, guys, like, oh. And it's flowy and long and breathable. Like, these are the shoe I'm gonna wear. And then for the purse, so I got this purse from, I don't know if you guys can see me really well. Let me put these stuff down out of my hand. So this is the purse that I'm gonna wear tomorrow. It's a Steve Madden purse. No, that's a lie. It's a Juicy, and it was a $19.99, and I found this at Ross. I want to say Ross. And then I have the purple one to it. Where did the purple one go? Say you lying. Oh, no. All right, so this is the purple one. I love the purple because it's really pretty, but it doesn't go with my dress. I mean, it does to some extent. It does. I'm all over the place, guys, forgive me, but this is the one, and it's cute. So this is what I'm gonna wear, and it's the crossbody. I think my husband is gonna come home, and then we're gonna go to the store. I don't know if I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm just gonna end this vlog and put tomorrow's stuff in there, or should I do a whole separate vlog for that? I'll let you guys know what I do. Good morning. Told y'all I was gonna take y'all with me. I don't know where I left off yesterday, but we're up and dressed. I'm ready. The girls are ready. I'm waiting on Jackson. He's taking a shower. The twins are ready. Husband's ready. And then I have my bag over here, so I'm gonna show y'all what I packed up to take with me. So I just have, don't mind that, I just have this bag with the kids' breakfast. This has a napkin in it, and then the snack, and this is their breakfast. This is Rob's breakfast right here. Now I'm gonna bring this cooler, and then I'm going to, don't mind this, I wash Madison's hair yesterday. So this I'm gonna fill with ice, and then I usually mix this mango tangerine with this energy drink situation. These two together are the bomb. And then there's fruit, and then in here I have to get out all, so these are their lunches. I'm gonna do wraps for them, and then their juice, and then bring in a ton of fruit so that they can snack on, and that's it.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. Change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on.
Maddie,
for what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts.
I finally got the memory card to work. We're at the outlet trying to get summer clothes for the boys. Yeah. Only 3 kids getting a shoe.
Put them back. We're not here to get you shoes.
You said you like that one?
Yeah, I like that.
It's the price tag for me. Don't have children. They're expensive. Look at her choice.
Or these.
$10 cheaper. Yeah.
I just like the colors, and they're cute.
Okay. Make sure they're part of the buy one get one 50% off, because that's why I'm here. It should say buy one get one 50% off. Or there's select ones that are buy one get one free, right, Leah? You want two what?
No, I'm on 2.
Yeah, so far, yeah. Thank you.
You want two what?
I'm on 2.
Jordan, these are for
I'm on
camp.
2.
Oh, your shoe size is 2. How did we skip from 13 to 2?
And check.
You're a size 1. All right.
Yeah, they have more.
They have more over there. Those are pretty.
Or those.
Oh, that's a price tag for me. Oh, is this coming out of your birthday money for next month?
Hey, this is yours.
It could?
Okay, so we are done at the outlet. We got 4 pairs of shoes for the kiddos that are going to camp. That way they'll have something comfortable to walk around at camp. They're gonna be gone for 2 weeks. We spent a total of $254 on shoes. Now we are on the hunt for shorts for the boys, and also Destiny, and also a few tops for the twins. Jackson's not going to camp because he doesn't want to miss his best friend's birthday, so he will be staying with us this year. Last year he did went to camp and he was able to experience, well, he's been to camp before, but when he was much younger. But he went last year and he didn't really like that because he missed his best friend's birthday. So this year he's opting to stay home, so he won't be going to camp. So I'll just have him and Madison, and I'll just have to find something to do. It's much cheaper to do something with 2 kids versus all 5 of them. So the older ones will be going to camp, and they have a lot of things that they can do. Not can do, but will be doing. Jason doesn't want to go because he has himself a little girlfriend and he doesn't want to be away from her. But he can take his phone, but he's not supposed to. And so I don't know if we're gonna allow him to take the phone, just because, yeah, I don't know. We're still thinking about that. So right now we're going to Ross because we didn't want to shop for them at the outlet, because it can get a little pricey having to shop for so many kids at the outlet. So we're gonna go to Ross and see if we can find some pieces for them at a much affordable prices, because yeah, inflation is real. So yeah, we gotta do what we gotta do. Yeah. So anyways, I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would.
What are you scared of? Girl. Girl, it's the hole in the tights for May. She said the other day, she said, I don't trust Daddy driving. I'm like, girl, he drives for a living. Leah, what's wrong? Of what? She's over here trying to be dramatic. Are you trying to come up with something? Anywho, I miss this area. I miss this area. I want to come back. It's about to rain though.
I love it.
Not my husband not know how to drive. Like, dude. Oh, there's a cop, babe. There's a cop right there. He gonna come for you. Yeah, he gonna come for you. Over here thinking you're a NASCAR driver. Not the NASCAR driver though. Rob. Yeah, I'm like, there's a cop, babe. Like, do you see cars just parked up on the side of the road? better slow down.
Excuse me, mommy.
How may I help you?
The pizza made my belly feel good.
Okay, that's good to know.
That's nice.
So, done shopping for the kiddos. Came to get me some Jamaican food. Hold on, let me show y'all. Over there. This is Island Prime, but they're closed on Sundays. So, I asked the hubby if we can get some. Well, the option was either Island Pride, which is, you know, I was gonna get roti with curry goat. So it was either that or taco de lengua, which is cow tongue, but it's really good. So I'm gonna get tacos instead because we traveled 1 hour to come back down to where we used to live, because this is where we used to live. I'm just gonna go home and relax.
Ew!
He farted. Awesome. Love that for me. Yeah. That's what it is. We're just gonna get tacos. Like my shirt says, my money don't jiggle jiggle, it fold. I made that. I made this one. And I have it for sale if you want it. Just let your girl know. Yes. Oh, I went to Costco. Please tell me, or else we'll place an order. I went to Costco and almost got ran over. Like, what's inside of Costco? Like, are they selling crack? Like, I went to get pizza for the kiddos because we got 2 boxes of pizza and only paid $20. Yeah.
Sí, hello.
Because that's what they wanted. We asked them.
Sí, quería poner una orden para recoger.
Sí.
Deme 3 tacos de lengua.
¿Vacilatos o limones?
Sí, con pico de gallo, por favor. Y la segunda orden, deme 3 tacos de lengua otra vez. También con todo y pico de gallo.
¿Y salsa picante?
Sí, pero separada, al lado.
Sí.
Ajá.
¿Algo más?
¿You anything else?
No.
No, solamente son 6 tacos total.
And inside is sour cream.
6.
Sí, y me da...
3 y 3.
Sí, y un side de crema.
Ok.
Y un side de guacamole con chips.
¿Con chips?
Ajá.
Ok. ¿Solamente?
Sí, solamente.
¿Su nombre?
Rob, R-O-B.
R-O-B.
Ajá.
Ok, aquí lo tenemos.
Ok, gracias.
De nada.
So, I love when he speaks Spanish. So sexy. Yes, Maddie.
Can I get some of your drink, please?
No, it has caffeine in it, and Daddy says to stop feeding you caffeine. I'll tell you later. Anyway, so the kiddos picked pizza, and we figured Costco had the cheapest pizza ever. And so I almost got ran over trying to get some pizza for these kiddos. Like, what's in Costco? Y'all have to tell me what's up in there, because I don't shop at Costco. I don't shop at Costco or Sam's Club. And you would think that the amount of kids that I have, I would shop at Costco, but no. Walmart is where it's at. That's the most drama that I will go through to feed my children. You know what I mean? So, yeah. What's inside of Costco? Please tell me, because I almost lost my whole entire life up in there. It's a madhouse. And where we live, it's like a mixture of everybody, and they're all rude. And I'm taking a class right now. It's called cross-cultural psychology, where we're dealing with all different types of culture and how not to stereotype people. But they don't care. It's like they see you and they don't care. They just disrespect you because you're of a different color. They just like, we don't care about you. We're gonna cut in line and we're just gonna disrespect you. You know what I mean? And I'm like over here on the other hand trying to be like, okay, maybe it's because of their culture why they are the way that. No, they're just rude. Point blank, period. Why are you all up in my life? Why are you all up in my life?
Because.
I cut her hair the other day. It was very long.
Mommy.
like, I appreciated the length, but what I didn't appreciate was the fact that her ends were raggedy. And when her ends get raggedy, it tangles up all of her like healthy hair, and it just feels dry and hard. That's when I know that she needs a trim. So I just went and just zip and trimmed all of her ends, and she was like, my precious hair. So I trimmed her. I haven't taken her to get like a professional cut in a while. Well, she's never gotten her hair professionally cut.
Yes, I have.
No.
Yeah?
Where and who
You
did
cut
it? No, I said professional. I'm not a professional. I am not a professional. Okay?
You are.
Okay, if you say so, baby. Thank you.
She's sitting on top of it.
Destiny, on the other hand, used to go and get her hair trimmed on the regular. But Maddie, I haven't done so. And her texture is different from, well, all of them hair texture is different. Jackson is growing out his hair right now, and it's a hot mess because his curl doesn't come in until he has a good amount of length. So right now it's just sticking up straight up in the air. So, and he wants to grow out his hair, and then Jason wants to grow out his hair, and Jordan hair does not grow at all whatsoever. It stays the same length. It never grows. Even when he was a baby, like he had bald spots in the back, and then yes, you did. How are you gonna tell me?
You did.
Oh, they have a Lincoln. It's an older Lincoln though.
That sounds embarrassing. What spots in the back?
Oh yeah, it's an older Lincoln because the emblem is different. But what's a wig? My hair?
Wig.
Yeah, my hair is a wig. I'm not ashamed to say that. It's a
Not
wig.
real.
It's not real at all.
Not until Daddy said it. I never noticed one too. Wig.
A bunch of people went.
It's a wig.
I know it's a wig, Madison. You don't have to put it out there. Back up.
Wig.
Wig. Do we have to talk about not being kind?
Yes.
Like, should we talk about not being kind, Leah?
Yes.
Because not everyone is fortunate to have hair that grows out of their head.
Wig.
There's some people that have to wear a wig. Mommy don't have to wear a wig, but I choose to. It's my choice.
Wig.
But there are a lot of people. Stop. You're being rude. You're being rude. It's not funny.
Stop trying to get your attention.
Like your sister said.
Isn't that weird face where she lifted up on something?
My food's coming, and I'm gonna go enjoy it. Back up before I punch you. I'm about to assault a child. But anyways, I think this is gonna be it for the vlog because there's nothing else that's gonna go in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna show y'all my food though.
Water.
Thank you, sir.
Water.
Oh, you bought Drew's. Oh, so nice of you because you said you weren't gonna get it. I'm gonna show y'all my food and then say goodbye.
I'm on my Drew.